Welcome to a vidéo des ventilateurs du Québec. This is a Sunwindy model SW-103, 120 centimeters, in cream color with 3 metal curve blades. It was made in Thailand in 2021. Both canopies are plastic. It's got a nice thick silver line around the motor. As you can see, the technical sticker is on the bottom of the motor rather than on the top. For a long time, Sunwindy's had the sticker placed on the top of the motor like on most of ceiling fans, but more recently, I'm not sure what year exactly, probably 2016, they changed the placement of that sticker and to put it right there on the bottom of the motor, which is kind of surprising to see. We almost never see that. But other than that, the ceiling fans haven't changed. It's really only just the placement of the sticker. Initially it kind of bothered me, but I guess it has grown on me, so I'm gonna leave it there. It's kind of original. It's what makes it a little different from most of other fans. Model SW-103, 120 centimeters, 85 watt. Product by Sunwindy, made in Thailand. Here's high speed. Very, very powerful. The airflow is incredible. The quality in general and the airflow is of course very comparable to a lot of older ceiling fans, like 80s ceiling fans or even 70s ceiling fans. Very, very good quality fan here. So the RPMs is, I would say, at least 320 RPMs, probably 330. It's very comparable to the high speed of a 4 Saison from the early 80s of the same size, 4 metal curve blades. It's definitely in that range. I would say a tiny bit slower than a lot of Indian ceiling fans, but much, much more airflow than a lot of Indian ceiling fans of the same size. So very, very good quality product here. I feel some air coming off of the floor. That's how much air this fan pushes. The air bounces back on the floor and back up. Very stable too. Not much wobble, huh? Here's a close-up of the startup of this fan on high speed. It has a really cool speeding up sound on high speed. And of course, watch the little sticker on the upper canopy. It's gonna twist, you know, with the torsion of the fan when it starts up. Ready? Here's the second highest speed, which is still very fast. This is like the high speed of a lot of ceiling fans here. This does easily 200 RPMs, probably a little bit more. Very, very good airflow. Here's the second lowest speed. The loud helicopter sound is practically gone at that speed. So this does approximately 120-125 RPMs. This would be like the medium speed of a lot of ceiling fans here. Here's low speed. Very, very quiet at that speed. It probably slowed down to about 80 to 85 RPMs. A very, very good quality fan for today's standards. I'm very impressed with the quality. Very good air movement, super powerful. The blades are a little bit wider than what we see on a lot of fans today. And the curve is very well pronounced too. I haven't seen a fan of this style with such beautiful curved blades in a long time. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video of this Sunwindy model SW-103, 120 centimeters in cream color from 2021. Et voilà, j'espère que la vidéo de ce Sunwindy modèle SW-103 de 120 cm, couleur crème de 2021 vous a plu. Thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir visionné.